Most people compare Cashkick and Mistplay completely wrong. They look at payout screenshots instead of asking the only question that actually matters. How much money are you earning for your time? Because here's the truth no one tells you. One app can show bigger rewards while secretly paying less per hour once you calculate the effort. And if you ignore that detail, you'll waste dozens of hours grinding for almost nothing. In this video, I'll compare Cashkick versus Mistplay in 2026, including hourly earning potential, payout speed, best offer types, who each app works best for, and the biggest mistake beginners make on both platforms. And later, I'll show you which app usually wins for casual users versus hardcore grinders. Let's answer the main question immediately. In general, Cashkick usually has higher earning potential per hour if you choose offers strategically. Mistplay is often easier and more consistent for casual users, but the hourly value tends to be lower overall. But here's the problem. That answer changes completely depending on how you use the apps. Let's break it down properly. Mistplay is mainly focused on mobile gaming rewards. You download sponsored games, play them, earn units, and redeem gift cards. Cashkick is broader. It includes surveys, gaming offers, app signups, financial promotions, cashback tasks, and subscription deals. That flexibility matters a lot. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay feels simpler immediately. Download games. Play casually. Earn rewards. Cashkick feels more strategic. Some offers pay far more, but they also require more attention to detail. For example, Jake downloads Mistplay, plays games during lunch breaks, and slowly earns steady rewards. Meanwhile, Alex uses Cashkick to complete a high-paying finance app promotion, plus a gaming task, and earns significantly more in less time. Same amount of spare time. Different results. This is where most people fail. They confuse simplicity with profitability. Mistplay is easier to understand, but Cashkick often produces stronger hourly returns if you optimize properly. Now let's talk real numbers realistically. Mistplay users commonly earn modest rewards steadily over time. Think smaller but more consistent progression. Cashkick users may earn larger bursts from successful offers, especially finance or premium gaming promotions. But here's the catch. Cashkick's higher earning potential comes with more risk of wasted time. This is where beginners struggle. A Mistplay game usually rewards you simply for playing consistently. Cashkick offers often require exact milestones, deadlines, or qualifying conditions. Miss the requirement? No payout. That changes everything. In a minute, I'll show you the highest hourly value strategy for both apps. But first, let's compare gaming specifically. Gaming dominates both platforms in 2026. Mistplay specializes in it. Cashkick includes it alongside many other categories. And honestly, gaming offers are where hourly earnings become extremely unpredictable. Some Mistplay games reward progress smoothly for casual play. Some Cashkick game offers pay huge amounts but require intense grinding. John sees a Cashkick game paying $90 and gets excited. 10 hours later, he realizes reaching the required level may take another 20 hours. Meanwhile, another user completes smaller efficient offers repeatedly and earns more overall. That's the secret most people miss. Efficiency beats giant payout numbers. Always. Now let's compare payout speed. Mistplay generally processes gift card rewards pretty quickly after redemption. Cashkick also pays reliably through PayPal, but some offers require pending periods before rewards become available. That means Mistplay often feels psychologically faster even if total earnings are lower. And honestly, psychology matters more than people expect. Fast, small rewards keep users motivated. Slow, large rewards can feel frustrating. Now here's where it gets really important. Mistplay works best for passive-style casual gaming time. Waiting rooms. Watching TV. Relaxing after work. Cashkick works best for focused strategic sessions. Reading requirements carefully. Completing profitable tasks efficiently. Tracking offers properly. Completely different experience. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake users make on both apps. Ignoring hourly value. This destroys earnings fast. A user spends 4 hours grinding Mistplay for a tiny reward because the gameplay feels easy. Another user spends 3 hours failing a difficult cash kick game challenge. Neither calculated actual value beforehand. That's why smart users constantly ask one question. How much am I earning per hour realistically? Now here's where it gets interesting again. For beginners, Mistplay often feels safer. The app structure is straightforward. Fewer complicated requirements. Less chance of failed tracking. Cashkick can absolutely pay more, but only if you understand how to choose offers intelligently. And honestly, many beginners don't at first. Now, let's compare effort levels. Mistplay requires patience. Cashkick requires strategy. That difference is huge. Alex prefers Mistplay because he wants mindless casual rewards while gaming anyway. Jake prefers Cashkick because he likes maximizing returns through selective offers. Neither approach is wrong. It depends on personality. Now in a minute, I'll tell you exactly which app I'd recommend for different types of users. But first, there's another thing you need to understand. Both apps have earnings ceilings. Neither creates realistic full-time income for most people. That expectation causes disappointment constantly. These apps work best for supplemental spending money, not primary income. Once you accept that, the experience improves dramatically. Now let's talk about the best earning strategies. For Mistplay, focus on boosted games, rotate titles before rewards slow down, and prioritize early progression bonuses. For Cashkick, target high-value app promotions, realistic gaming offers, and profitable sign-up deals with clear requirements. Simple optimization. Massive difference. Now, let's answer the biggest question directly. Which app pays more per hour? For optimized users willing to strategize carefully, Cashkick usually wins. For casual users wanting easier low-effort rewards, Mistplay often feels better, even if hourly earnings are lower. That's the honest answer. And honestly, the smartest users sometimes combine both. Mistplay for passive downtime. Cashkick for focused higher-paying opportunities. That combination can work surprisingly well. So let's wrap this up clearly. Choose Mistplay if you want simplicity, casual gaming rewards, and lower mental effort. Choose Cashkick if you want higher earning potential and don't mind reading requirements carefully. Neither app is magic money. Both require time. Both reward smart usage more than raw effort. But used strategically, either platform can absolutely generate extra income in 2026. If this video helped you decide between Cashkick and Mistplay, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which app you think pays better. And if you want more honest reviews of side hustle apps and money-making platforms, check out the next video right now.